Hello, do you want to change nickname in Instagram chat? You can update nickname in Instagram DM. The steps are easy and simple. Hello, welcome to Gladdy Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, we're talking about how to change nickname in Instagram chat. The first thing you have to do is to log into your Instagram account. The next thing is to click on the message icon found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on any chat of your choice. So right here on this chat, I just have to click on the profile icon of this person and click on the nicknames option. I just have to click on my nickname and now type in the particular nickname I want to appear while chatting with this person, with this particular person. I just have to click on done. You see, everyone in the chat will see this nickname. So automatically, as I change the nickname, everyone in the chat will see this nickname. I just have to click on the done option and automatically it's going to change to this nickname. So guys, that is it on how to change nickname on Instagram chat. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.